Hello my friends, welcome to Trading KS. Today is 29th of July 2025. So today is Tuesday. So we got another 2 more days before the 25% tariff hit our this export industry okay. So we have to continue and monitor. So far I didn't hear any development coming out from this our ministry, trade ministry. So we want to hopefully we can get something if without that I can't say for sure what will happen I can't say for sure but most likely it's nothing good okay. If we didn't get any reduce in tariff okay, most probably it's negative more than positive I don't think it will be positive okay. but hard to say we are seeing news coming out say it won't affect our industry much we need to continue and monitor and see what happen okay. So today BURSA tried to climb but drop back to ground okay. Morning tried to climb but drop back to ground and we don't expect it to be too strong because you know our other country, our neighbor country, most of them already negotiate and got a deal with a lower tariff so we want to continue and monitor how is the further development okay. Without any new announcement I don't think the market will be will have a big volatility, big movement okay. Probably it's just flat until if maybe Monday if we don't get any tariff announcement this week, maybe next week we will see the big move up or down. I don't want to say first okay. A quick disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so let's look at the chart. Let's look at the global market first. Now it's only 3 o'clock. Okay, I doubt much will happen after 3 so just do an early video okay. BURSA is 1530 up 1.21 points we never know okay. Closing time what will happen but looking up to now I don't see any positive okay. Slight positive maybe but I don't see any big movement okay. Singapore dropped 0.586%, Hong Kong dropped 0.608%, South Korea up 0.656%, Japan dropped 0.79%, Thailand up 0.075%, China FTSE dropped 0.006%, China SSE up 0.309%, China SXSE up 0.525%, S&P up 0.079%, Australia okay, Taiwan dropped 0.903%, Indian Nifty up 0.076%. So slightly weak okay. Look at UK no movement yesterday so yesterday German DAX dropped 1.021% okay. So they are still a bit concerned on the car export with 15% I think 15% tariff to the US we have to continue and monitor this one okay. Dow Jones dropped 0.143%, US NYSE dropped 0.617%, S&P up 0.018% and Nasdaq up 0.333% okay. Mixed result. Okay, palm oil 4,204 okay, slightly high, still okay 4,200. Brent oil 69, crude oil 66, not much happening. Gold 3,314 up slightly, silver 38.26 still high. US dollar against ringgit higher, 4.2315. Ethereum, Bitcoin is 118, Ethereum is 3835 lah. So probably for all the Ethereum to break 4,000, I think lah, Bitcoin need to break 120 lah. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay. Okay, look at BURSA now, it's 1529 lah, up 0.49 points, now 2.64 billion. This volume lah. Okay, okay lah, 3 o'clock, 2.6. So today I think we'll reach 3 billion lah. But not in a good way lah. Okay, so because sentiment is not so good lah. 33, gainers 301, losers 593, unchanged 479, and untrade 1149 lah. So foreign fund today, yesterday continue sell ah. Okay, since last week, last Friday okay, 103 million, local institution net buy 67 million, and local retail net buy 37 million ah. Okay, focus big drop today. OXB today listed I think OXB, maybe we'll take a look at OXB EcoWest drop okay, EcoWest maybe you want to cut first today suddenly big drop yesterday was up, then suddenly big drop, doesn't look good today. Okay, Pharma we know lah, Pharma really quite high already lah, so take profit at 11% or I mean expected lah. Okay, and also got news later want to check out the news. Construction, look at the sector all in percentage construction up 0.05%, consumer drop 0.13%, energy drop 0.41%, finance drop 0.2%, healthcare drop 0.84%, industry up 1.42%, plantation drop 0.81%, property drop 0.34%, REIT drop 0.07%, technology drop 0.41%, telco drop 0.65%, transportation drop 0.11%, and utilities drop 0.7%. So today quite weak lah. Okay, overall only this industry is strong lah. Look at the chart, KLCI. It's not closing okay, not yet closing okay. So morning you try to climb but then in the early morning I try to climb out but then being pushed down lah. Okay. In the morning morning momentum try to come out then being pushed down lah. Okay. Got a lot of selling okay. Look at Ace Market drop 0.47. So Ace Market continue to heading down lah. Okay, slowly still sliding down, almost at support. Mid cap, small cap looks like okay, also coming back down lah. But not too serious yet lah. We're gonna continue monitor lah. Other than that, industry still strong. Okay, industry probably heading towards the 161 here lah. It broke out, maybe can still hit a bit higher lah. Industry still looks okay. Other than that, nothing much happening lah. Others, okay, probably waiting for the tariff lah. Okay, telco drop a bit. Technology also not yet drop below 51. So all these are just sideways, just waiting for any update lah. Okay, probably on the tariff lah. Okay, so look at this Facebook. $5183 got uptrend chances Petrochemical top gainer later we take a look lah. I already said it's forming a bottom lah. Okay, it's forming bottom, it's trying to reverse up lah. Okay. Done. Always watch my video Thank you Okay, thank you. ST. Okay, ST say must be resilient resilient. Okay, in order to be successful determined. Okay, determined to do something must determine to do it. But no matter what happen okay, you to learn. Okay, to achieve something nothing come easy Okay, thanks ST Ron and Tan. Citos yesterday I missed Citos Citos later got news Okay, later we check out the Citos. Sorry, Citos English I got do sit-offs. The Chinese one, I miss sit-offs. Chinese, I miss sit-offs. English, yesterday I got do ma. You guys didn't watch me yesterday. I think this one, I think he watched the Chinese. I think, Jack, I think, yeah, it's a Chinese. Yesterday, Chinese version, I forgot to do sit-offs. Sit-offs, probably wait for a bottom lah. Wait for it to do a reversal pattern head and shoulder, all this still dropping lah. With that report come out, we don't expect it to be too good lah. Ifka, who is it? Rex top fan thanks Rex. Hey, Ifka, nothing much, you dropping, nothing much lah. Can't see anything, can't see any momentum. So far it's still dropping lah. It's still in this downtrend channel lah, so nothing much to talk about lah. It's still dropping. It tried to make a head and shoulder reversal but tak jadi. So for now it's still dropping lah. Nothing much. This is remember a lot of scammer okay, don't reply to anyone who friend you, who ask you to join their investment using my name, all this. I will never call you, never contact you You contact me, only I reply. I will never contact you, never friend you and ask you to join anything okay, directly okay. Do take note all these are scammer a lot scammer, all these scammer Now most likely my YouTube page, my YouTube and this Facebook, a lot of follower QL double bottom. Double top, not double bottom. Double top. Okay, double top already broken through lah, so better not better not play lah this one QL. Double top lah. The neckline is here lah, already broken already. The neckline is here. Already broken already lah. Better not. EcoWest today drop still can keep. This could be a shakeout. This could be a shakeout, means they want to shake out the weak hand, they want to continue push up lah. Okay. As I said, as long as it close above 0.39, probably don't, if you are in very big, cut down first. Okay, cut down first. Okay, then keep some and see whether it can hold 0.39. If it can hold 0.39 for the next few days, means this is shakeout. They try to check out your holding with one sell down, then they want to push it up higher. It could be a shakeout. So we wait until closing, see what happen Okay. Oh yeah, this is the news. Okay, this is cut down I think this bad news came out This one. EcoWest and Nutsford merger fail so there's a planned merger Okay, so the merger fail I think better cut down if tomorrow it cannot hold 0.39, then better don't keep Okay, cut down first. Okay, bad news Tomorrow red again. Sandy. He say a lot of scammer so whenever you write he'll reply you he only like and support lah. Because if you write there, right, this scammer will friend you and ask you to join them, so be careful, okay. Andy say every day Bursa make him faint, make him headache, okay. It can be done. John Cyber say it can be the master. AX and Capital macam no news lah. AX and Capital, as you say, right, nothing much happening now lah, okay. Yeah, nothing much lah, it's still going down. Capital A same lah, same tak jadi lah. I told you, right, the breakthrough never happened lah, so just wait and see lah. HSI what HSI? Hang Seng I mean HSI, is it the stock or what? Or Hang Seng? Hang Seng is very high already, right? I'm not sure you're talking about the stock or what? Or buying put This is what we call it This is option trading buy put buy put means you expect the market to drop but I don't play option this one I don't play, I don't comment because it's not my expertise okay. Okay, so look at news So you're expecting Hang Seng to drop okay, if you expect, and just take a quick look Hang Seng. Okay, no reversal pattern, you have to wait reversal pattern, you cannot simply just sell down because it hit the top channel, right? So you have to see reversal pattern here you see, right? Here double top, right? Double top, okay, here, okay, it happened, double top break the neckline, then only you buy the put not. I mean, don't simply just because it's high, then just simply, market can rip up without any reason just like this US market Nasdaq, right? Okay, S&P, right? Everybody say US gonna die, right? But it rip and higher and higher and higher and higher. The more people bearish, the more fear mongering, all the media, the heavy it hit, the higher it go, right? So that's why don't simply just bet on this news, all this. I told you yesterday okay. Some of you may be upset from what I say that's why because as I said I'm creating if you have the same mindset, okay, if you VR okay, it's contrarian mindset, you have to understand, right? Warren Buffett is contrarian mindset, right? Okay, when people are fearful, he's greedy, right? When people are greedy, he's fearful, so we are contrarian mindset, right? So if what, as I said if your current mindset, okay, with your current thinking and current mindset no matter you think how right you are but if not, it's not making a ton of money for you in the market then maybe you need to how do you call that there's one word I don't want to upset you okay, you want to maybe ponder a bit as what Albert Einstein said okay, doing the same thing and expecting a different result is insanity if you are having the same mindset, doing the same if investment strategy, follow the investment strategy, same thing, but you expect this year will be different, you can make a ton of money. Last year you lose some money, but this year you are still the same, doing the same thing, same mindset, and expect to make a ton of money. It's not logic okay. Okay, let's look at news.
EcoShop's 4Q net profit down 10% amid rising expenses.
Okay. 4 quarter to 3 quarter just compare only lah. Okay. To compare to next year, we don't have last year one. So we got last quarter. It did worse than last quarter lah. Okay. Okay. EcoShop okay. Finally I think it's trying to it's starting to drop below lah. So with this report but it did came to support. Okay, it came to support. It's trying to rebound also lah. It's not too bad also lah. Okay, it came to support. It's trying to rebound. It's not too bad, but you be careful here lah. Means 1.27 lah. If you cannot hold 1.27, let's say closing you cannot hold 1.27. You be careful lah. Still now okay lah. Still it's still like hovering above the it's still hovering above the channel lah. But you have to look at 1.27 lah. Okay.
Berjaya Food plans 1 for 2 bonus warrants.
Okay. Bonus warrant lah. Okay. Okay, well, got some momentum today. Berjaya Food. Exactly hit this resistance lah. Okay, maybe it was here lah. If we break 32 cents, maybe got something lah. Today volume also up lah. Okay, 32 cents lah. It was 32 cents. Today up 10%. A lot lah. Okay, this one maybe if we break 32 cents, maybe lah. Try some coffee money as well lah. Now it's still very dangerous lah. Okay, it's still very dangerous lah. Okay.
Eureka faces RM1.07 bill contract termination over Pan Borneo Highway project.
So potential termination lah. So be careful lah. Okay.
Eureka Corporation BHD, KLIREKA, has received a notice of mutual termination concerning its RM1.07 billion subcontract with Gamalite SDN BHD for the Pan Borneo Highway project. Following upstream funding constraints and the exit of the main contractor.
That guy have to out already lah. Big drop support broken. So I think better out lah. This one too risky lah. Okay. If you are still holding, better I think. This one I already talked yesterday.
DNEX chairman Syed Zainal no longer holds substantial stake in FSBM.
Okay. I don't think it's a big news it's not direct impact on DNEX okay. DNEX still nothing lah. Still nothing. Okay.
TECHSTORE wins RM8mil customs job. In a filing with BURSA Malaysia, the Enterprise Information Technology, services provider said the works will be deployed at the Woodlands North Customs, Immigration and Quarantine in Singapore. As part of the Rapid Transit System, RTS, link between Malaysia and Singapore.
Okay, I think this one is just channel lah. Buy bottom channel, sell top channel. Just short-term play only lah. Short-term play only. Nothing much. Buy bottom channel, sell top channel. Just like that lah. Okay. It drop below the bottom channel when probably fail. It's not much to play at lah. Now not much to play. Okay. And the channel also, let me see how big. 33% lah. Maybe you try to get the bottom channel, sell at the top channel lah.
Oil rises on US-EU trade deal, Trump's shorter deadline for Russia.
Okay, initially it's a few weeks now. Only give 10 to 12 days to Russia lah. Okay, and see what happen lah. Okay, of course they cannot attack Russia just like Israel attack Iran like that lah. But they'll try some other way lah. One thing already, US already trade deal already have 700 billion. They're selling 700 billion energy to Europe lah, EU lah. Okay, so initially EU get their energy most from Russia. Okay, but now, Trump is trying to do something lah with Russia, asking, forcing this Russia to to cease fire lah. Okay, so stop the war lah, end the war lah. Okay, so initially Ukraine is very hard lah. Very is against stopping the war lah. Very hard to negotiate with Ukraine, but then Ukraine okay already agreed with that. They signed the minimum deal, and then now Ukraine is okay to the ceasefire, but now it's Russia lah. Russia is not willing to stop according to what we hear lah. Okay, but now Trump is trying to force this Russia to stop lah, to end the war lah. We have to continue and see lah. Because there will be some impact lah on this Russia lah. Okay, because US stop this. Is Europe start to just mainly transition buy energy from US, not from Russia? It will hurt them lah. But Russia still got the BRICS lah to cover them up lah. See whether BRICS can still support Russia or not lah. So they can sell their oil to BRICS lah. We have to continue and see lah. Okay.
IJM set for strong FY26 on data center push.
Okay, so what's the target? 370 Okay, CMB give 370 Okay, 370 here. 370 here Okay. So IJM wait for a retracement first better. Okay, wait for a retracement, then only a drop first because we got divergence here so maybe wait for a drop first. You want to try this one.
Farmaniaga drops after report says Jekyll eyeing stake in group.
Okay, so the news come out already lah. The Goring, why Goring so sell the news lah.
Shares of Farmaniaga BHD, KL, Pharma dropped in early trade following reports that Jekyll Group was eyeing a 10% stake through the pharmaceutical group's new share placement. At the time of writing, Farmaniaga shares fell over 9% or 2 sen to 19.5 sen, valuing the group at RM955 million. The Edge reported last week that besides Jekyll Group, there were other interested investors, including Great Eastern, Koperasi Angkatan Tentera Malaysia BHD, and shipping tycoon Tan Sri Halim Muhammad, according to sources.
Okay, so this one, all this with this lineup of investment, no wonder lah. So it's rebounding lah. So all this, with all this injection of capital, probably it can from stop the company from getting delisted, and probably can even get it out from PN17 okay. This is just a guess only lah. Okay, this is not this is positive lah. At least it's positive for pharma. Okay, look at pharma. Pharma expected lah. Already go so high already lah. So you expect a pullback lah. We don't expect it to go straight up to the sky, right? Okay. Okay. So really reach here. So broke the triangle, came back down lah. Slowly, I think it's positive lah. The short term Goring maybe already happened, but long term should be I think should be slowly heading up lah. But the Goring, the news probably already finished lah. Okay, with the release of this news. Okay. So, but the long term, I think it is trying to turn around lah. It's trying to turn around. Okay, it's trying to turn around lah. Hopefully, it can break out from this channel lah. The most important is breaking out this channel 250 lah. Okay, 250. Now it's a long-term recovery that I have to wait for the short-term regoring happen.
BAT Malaysia shares surge after 2Q earnings rise.
Okay, look at 2Q. Last year, 640 revenue, now 624 million. It dropped lah. But profit 36 million to 51 million. Only profit up 40% lah. Okay, YOY. But revenue drop actually. Okay, so we got a gap up lah. Gap up straight away sell down lah. Be careful lah. After a gap up straight away being sold down will become red. Okay, so 7% lah. Okay, so it's stuck, still stuck here lah. Generally, it's still stuck at the resistance here lah. Okay, so I said I'm not keen lah. This one I already told you so many times why I'm not keen lah. Okay, so I don't want to repeat.
Tarif AS tidak jejas unjuran ekonomi Malaysia, Gubernur BNM.
Okay, so this is what our governor say lah.
Gubernur Bank Negara Malaysia, BNM, Datuk Seri Abdul Rashid Ghaffar yakin ekonomi Malaysia masih berada pada trajektori pertumbuhan yang kukuh meskipun berdepan ketidaktentuan akibat pelaksanaan tarif oleh Amerika Syarikat AS.
Okay, this is according to our BNM governor. Okay.
US, China hold new talks on tariff truce, easing path for Trump-Xi meeting.
Okay, so I think after they are going to initial talk, then after that they will meet and finalize lah, just like British. Okay, initial talk, then the Trump meet Starmer talk concluded. The EU initial talk, then this Ursula meet Trump. Final meeting settle. This one now China lah, most likely now they're starting the final talk. Then once all these minister finalize, then both of these leaders will come sit together and sign lah. I think something like that lah. Okay. So probably China also don't want to miss the boat lah now. Because everybody already signed lah. You don't sign, then we might miss the boat to the US market lah. Okay.
Public
Invest initiates He Group at neutral, sets target price at 37 sen.
Okay, He Group. 37 cents okay. Huh? 37 cents? The reason means nothing much. Neutral only lah, so don't chase lah. Okay, wait for make another pattern, breakout, then only lah. So he's trying to make something like a flat pattern. Then I'll wait for the next breakout lah. Now already you see I really highlighted this one, right? The head and shoulder already hit the target already. Okay, so better don't chase it now lah. Wait for the pattern form and wait for after rest a while, then only see what happen lah. Okay.
South Korea Finance Minister coup to target mutually beneficial US trade deal.
Okay. So South Korea also coming almost like travel last. Okay. So they initially they want to talk lah, then they miss the boat lah. So they are scrambling to get finalized lah. So everyone trying to finalize before the August.
Seoul officials are scrambling in an all-out push to clinch a trade deal ahead of an August 1st deadline to avert punishing tariffs threatened by US President Donald Trump against the country's key industrial exports to the United States.
Okay, so everyone is rushing to get this tariff done lah, or else you might left the US market boat, you might miss it lah. Okay.
Nvidia orders 300,000 H20 chips from TSMC due to robust China demand.
Okay,
Sources say.
So China demanding the H20 lah, the lower grade one, the AI chip. So AI now is the main thing lah, main theme that will bring all the bring a new economy growth lah. Okay, Blackwell 200, B200 is the top one lah. So this one, the H20 is lower range lah. Which this one, right? I think AMD got chip that can compare to this, comparable to this lah. That's why AMD is getting the market also lah. But Intel right, fail a lot of things right. Intel missed the mobile chipset. Okay. Both now they miss the AI board, so Intel makes way too many mistakes to continue to be the big player in the chip, right? Okay, so Intel they never break through after, or they just doing the same thing, just like IBM doing the same thing. Okay, never evolve lah. They are always in computer and laptop chipset and server chipset. They are too content, too happy with that. They don't want to like Nokia don't want to move forward. Like Palm, the Palm phone. I used to have the Palm phone last time. Wow, the very high tech phone. When I bring it out, very high tech. Okay, they never want to evolve. Like Nokia don't want to evolve to the touch screen. And same thing, Intel doesn't want to. They try, but they don't know how. They just everything is jadi, right? Evolve to mobile platform. They should be the front runner, right? Intel, the biggest semiconductor company, should be the front runner in doing. I mean, used to lah, not now lah. Used to front runner in mobile phone. They should be the front runner in AI. So they miss all the boat lah. Now that's why they are doing so bad lah. But easy to talk about others lah. But want to change a company, how they call it lah? There's a one word. Culture, culture. Okay, a company culture very difficult to change lah. I also joined big company, or I also hired in a high position, try to change company culture. It's extremely difficult. They are too contented. All the board people are all too contented. So you want to tell them to change everything, that their mindset to change everything. Okay, it's very difficult lah. As I said lah, remember what Einstein said, right? Doing the same thing and expect a different result is insanity lah. That's why lah. So that's why Intel, they never change. They always content with their same business. So so now they are at the back foot lah. And look at see our Malaysian bond CEO can actually turn them around or not lah. Easy to talk. I mean, even you are a CEO, you have a different thinking, right? You know the path for you is very clear. You want to do this, but when you go into the company, as a CEO, there is all the department managers all the chairman all those. If they cannot accept your new thinking, right? You still have a lot of problem. I can tell you. I've been in the big corporate company before. I was in public listed group before. I was in one of the top high alarm system, alarm security system distributor in Malaysia, all these things. So big company. So I mean, some company, yes, some company. I mean, that's why you have to have when you go in, you have to, the first thing you have to know how to. It's not how to drive your vision, It's how to play the politics, how to get all the big people behind you, all the important people, the key people behind you. Then only you can implement. That's why you go into big organizations. Like, I got a true vision. I jump in. I want to change everything. I want to move this. It does not happen like that, Okay, because other people cannot accept your thinking, your mindset. It's very difficult, Okay, so that's why you have to have. First, you have to know how to do the politics, how to get the people behind you. Once you get solid support, then only you can execute what you do. So that's why enough of the corporate thing lah. I think you feel boring lah. But that is all good education for for you if you are in the corporate life, right? All these are very good education because you won't know. Only people who experience it can tell you what will happen lah. Okay. But a lot of people think it's boring lah.
Yinson JV secures 600 million United States dollars FSO charter contract for Vietnam's offshore gas project.
Okay, good lah, Yinson. See how it goes. Okay, Yinson, no nothing much lah. We expect a big push up, a breakout above here, then only we talk lah. 2.48 lah. A big push up 2.48, then only we talk. Okay. A quick message before I jump into the top gainers. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link. You can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay. You can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay. Well, I was quite high profile last time. If you really read, I mean, if you can remember okay, if you can remember, right, I actually appeared on a few newspaper before. If you can remember, you think, this guy, I see him before, right? Yes, you saw me in newspaper before, Chinese newspaper and the Sun, Sinju. I've been I did appear in a newspaper before, maybe 7-8 years ago, I think. Okay. Where were we? If first time you see my video, right, you think this guy a bit familiar. Where I see him? Yes, I appeared in newspaper a few times before. Okay, chemical break. Finally, I think this time really coming, Petronas. Okay, so the big one is 4 ringgit Wow, it's break 4 ringgit. It break the triangle but it seems like finally it's coming back Okay, red color came back already Okay, red color came back. But it still got this 4 ringgit will be a big hurdle for it to break through Okay, but seems like it's turning around, really turning around this time Okay, really turning around Okay, looks good Okay, for pharma. Okay, P metal. Okay, P metal volume up slightly P metal finally coming Yeah, we waited so long Okay, really starting to clear up, making higher high. Finally, I think it's coming to 5.97 as long as stay above 5.2 Okay. Finally FFB. Oh, FFB not so good. Even today rebound, I think chance to run I restart a big drop already. EcoMate. EcoMate too high already. Wow, up here already better not not a good place to chase Remember we measure the target we reach now. Wow, so high. I'm not saying cannot go higher, but for me it's too high to chase Okay, electric, I think leave it first something is wrong this big drop Okay, better don't chase first. We continue and see IBRACO today up again IBRACO already broke the support. I think break above 1.27 only we talk Okay, so that's it. For today, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Now let's say BURSA is what? Net rate already dropped 0.31 600 over losers. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.